Good afternoon, children. Welcome to KR Lekkam Memorial CBSE School, Mudur. For today, online class, children. In previous class, we discussed about the letter W. The letter W. W related words and W related rhymes and how to write capital W and small w. Now, children, today we are going to teach about the next letter X. Next letter X. I'll write here X into capital X and small x. Okay. Capital X and small x. Open your textbook, page number 39. Page number 39. Page number 39. Page number 39. Okay. Look at here. Page number 39. They will give here three letters X, Y, Z. They will give here three letters X, Y and Z. Okay. They will give here the X, Y, Z related pictures and words. X for Xmas tree, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. X for X-ray, Y for yogurt, Z for Y for egg, Z for zebra. Okay, you read it. I will write here only X related words. Okay, only X related words. Xmas, X M-A-S T-R-E-E, tree, Xmas tree. And X-ray, X-ray. Okay, X-ray and Xmas. These only two words they will give here. So, therefore, I will write here only two words. Xmas tree and X-ray. Xmas tree and X-ray. Only two letters you had the. Next, when I told you Y, I will write here Y related word and Z related words. Okay, children. Open your textbook, page number 40. Open your page number 40 here. X related rhymes. 6 little foxes. X. 6 fat oxen. X. Go to the doctor. X. They are waiting for their X-ray. They are waiting for their X-ray. Okay, children. Take your parents' help. You read it. Okay, you practice it. Next, children, how to write the capital X and small x. Okay, I will tell you. This is your 4-line notebook. This is your 4-line notebook. How to write capital X? Look at here. 1, 2. Okay, same you write 1, 2. This is capital X. This one is small x. Okay, capital X and small x. They will give given here. Okay, you write the capital X and then you write small x and turn page 41. So 41 completed, you turn the page 42, that is Y. 41 completed, children. Now look at here, children. You practice X related words only X. Okay, children. Now 6 little foxes. You had this rhymes. You had these rhymes only. Okay. And you read it. Had the spellings also. And children, I will revision up to W, V, W related words. How to write Y. Up to V, W, X, Y, Z. Already you know the how to write. And after I will tell you how to write X, Y. Look at here. This is a capital Y. This one is small y. And Z. How to write Z. Look at here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, small z. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You must and should write like this. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ 4-line ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, tomorrow I will told you Y related word words and Z related words. Okay children. Now today class was completed. If I had the X related words. Okay, only 2 words. Okay. Thank you children.